Be Free by Jojo is this week's Caribbean music video.
Open your eyes, lift your head up to the sky, feel the sunrise, all our vibes. Yesterday long come and gone, today holds the prize. So if this music makes you happy, I want you rock with me, rock with me. And if this music takes you somewhere, then let you be free, then let you be free. Free to jump, free to vibe, free to free up till the sunrise. If we try, we could reach the sky, cause we don't fret till if we life. Free to jump, free to vibe, free to free up till the sunrise. If we try, we could reach the sky, cause we don't fret till if we life. Still we try. Bad decisions make you wise, but stay on the safe side. Realize, yesterday long come and gone, today holds the prize. And if this music makes you happy, I want you rock with me.
The outstanding career achievements of dancehall artist Capleton are highlighted in this week's Our Trailblazer feature.
From humble beginnings in St. Mary, Capleton emerged in the early 1990s as one of the frontrunners of popular Jamaican music. He started out in the dancehall genre and later evolved successfully into reggae. He has had a string of hit singles, released more than 15 albums, was signed to a major US label, and has received a Grammy nomination. His philanthropic efforts has seen him raise funds each year for schools and hospitals in St. Mary. For his major accomplishments in music, we salute the fireman, aka King Shango, aka Capleton, as our trailblazer, for having excelled in and contributed significantly to Jamaican and international pop music culture.
Now it's that time where we take that weekly trek inside the Magnum Top 10 charts. Let's see which song is the hottest in the land.
Like I'm a pay for tough, but feel for rough, pull off your any scarf. Pull up like the streets, me them say chop blood, but tell some no fear approach me them.
I took on a cup of coffee, squeeze, 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 sup up your whoop. I took on a cup of coffee, my girl.
I'm boss. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and
still stay strong, still stay strong. Man, strip up my life whenever we count when the rough days are.
First and second and third, watch your blessings come forth, blessings come forth. Yo, it is a miracle to make your thing shut and not end up a gun court, end up a...
Yeah. Hey, money, money, make money, yeah, yeah. Hey, money, money, make money, yeah, yeah. Hey, money, money, yeah. Hey, money, money, yeah. Listen and picking a media. In a media. Alright then, and the gala with me fling.
Can't see me a start problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me a want them. Tell them this a real Shenyang anthem. Now fight no girl over.
Mama now go, me now go nowhere. She living it up and she out there, doing it with no fear. Hey, bubble your body fit.
Every morning a girl in a me bed that's how me live. To the haters cause me now Chacha boy, be a chacha ni sigwan way. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni sigwan. See the flare king ya, me just buy a brand new bima. I mean now we're close.
And that's how we say goodbye on this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Michaela Leeanna. We leave you with more from the latest video from Skygrass. See you next week.
Something good until tomorrow. Give us something good until tomorrow. Give us something good because me love it. Good body motion, girl, them. Real dedication, girl, them. Sweet inspiration, girl. Them we are select a number one in our world. Just
One more shot.
Our spirit is proud. Our spirit stands strong. Our spirit is pure. Our spirit is in song. Our spirit is at the beginning. Our spirit spirit is there at the end. Our spirit is born in Jamaica. Our spirit will always contend. Ray and Neville, our spirit.